All right, well, good afternoon. We're here at the Diamond Rental Terex Demo Day, and we're going to run through the CTL, or Compact Track Loader, obstacle course today. It's going to show us a little bit about the track system and how smooth it is going up and over different obstacles and so forth, and how smooth it is to drive. It is a pilot control machine, so drive and steer with the left hand, and the bucket and the arms are controlled with the right hand, which makes it very nice. This is also a 2-speed machine, so you can see how fast this unit actually goes, which is about 12 miles an hour. So we'll get her started and we'll get running through it. Okay, and we're off. We're going to go through the wood, kick it up into high gear. See how quick and fairly smooth going over the rough terrain is. We're going to go up and over the berm. Start raising the blade up so we can do a turn. Lower down and off we go. Go through this box slalom, show how fast you can turn these units. And we're going to go through the straight slalom, pick up a little speed. Bucket, and off we go. Back down through the straight slalom. We're going to make a hard left.